So, how do you think that using lean, this idea of focusing on purpose, understanding what your customer needs need, how can that actually help lean businesses to be more solid in what they're doing and give them like a leg up to reach the top over their competitors?
Yeah, really, Karin, when we adopt really the lean culture in our businesses, yeah, from the beginning, um, I think that we are really creating, the good foundation that will help us to sustain the business, through the time. So, because really, from my point of view, based on my own experience, I can say that start a new business together with the lean principle made the process really more easy because lean help us a lot of in different areas. Lean, teach us how to manage people throughout the thinking of the people respect. Lean help us to create, the discipline that we need, yeah, to support all the journey. Help us to eliminate complexity, yeah, throughout all the process that are translated, into costs that will guarantee us, yeah, to be more competitive and to stay in the market, yeah, and also to survive to difficult times like the COVID that we are living, right now because uh, Lean, help us to build, yeah, business really thinking on the excellent, yeah, and push off in that way, yeah, to always look the best way to do everything that we make, yeah, in our daily activity, personal or professional, yeah. So, for business, I think that this is the best way that will guarantee us to reach to the top, but the most important, to stay there.